I don't know what's happening here, but just so you know, I've been alone for the past 5 years, so it's not what you're thinking. Bouncy skin, plump skin, zero fine lines, no more crow's feet. These are the results I think most people want to see once they settle in with their first skincare routine. If this is something you're interested in, stick around. Hi, hello, 안녕, 입니다. 반갑습니다. 반가워요. 반가. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Ray, and if you don't know who I am, that's totally fine. You can find out more about me here on all social media platforms. My skin type is oily, sensitive, reactive, and now that we're in the wintertime, my skin is even more dehydrated than usual. Today, we're only looking at one product. I love making single product reviews because I don't have to sit at the computer editing for days for like a 20-minute video. Today's video is made possible by YesStyle. Before we start, I want to mention that I'm not a derm or an esthetician, clearly. Everything I say here is just my personal opinions and experience with this product. Since this is my first GOODAL product review, I figured I should give you guys a background of GOODAL. Pronounced GOODAL, its name comes from two English words, good and all. It's supposed to mean that their products are good for all skin types. Their best-selling product is, of course, the Green Tangerine Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. But today we're focusing on a product that came from GOODAL's recent collaboration with K-pop group Brave Girls this past summer. Rollin'. Okay, let me stop fanboying and continue with this video. Brave Girls. Okay, without further ado, let's get right into this plump, promising product of the day. GOODAL's Apricot Collagen Youth Firming Cream. We're just gonna call it the Apricot Collagen Cream because I'm not saying this long title over and over again in this video.
I keep a stack of letters from all my closest friends, so I know they're real, they really love me, cause they like to play pretend. Summer hasn't started, but it feels like it's the end, cause I think ahead, I like to plan, so I'm never in suspense. I'm pouring gasoline on the fire started in me. No one can cancel me, I'm swaying along with the trees. The sun is falling and the water is starting to freeze. That's why I close my eyes when I'm crossing the street. When I'm crossing the street. When I'm crossing the street.
When I first opened this glass jar, I cringed because I initially thought that this cream would be super thick based on how it looked. If there's one thing oily skin people hate, it is a very thick and oily and greasy product. But to my surprise, once this cream went on my face, it just completely blended away, melted away, just disappeared. This is a fragrance-free product, and honestly, it was surprising to me. Because it's called the Apricot Collagen Cream, I thought there would be at least a hint of apricot in it, but it's actually not the essence or the juice of apricot that makes this product amazing. It's GOODAL's proprietary development of the apricot collagen that makes this cream stand out among the others. They were able to discover the skin rejuvenating benefits of apricot collagen because the collagen that the apricot fruit produces is actually much easier for our skin to absorb, as opposed to the collagen that comes from animal fat, for example, pigs and fish. Like I said before, as an oily skin type person, I did not find this cream to be thick at all, even though it appears to be. Once it's applied on my skin, it just melts away. Two completely different consistency in the jar versus on the skin. What I didn't like too much about this cream is that it does leave a very sticky finish. It's still a matte finish, but if you touch your skin, it feels a bit sticky. I personally think that this moisturizer was designed for dry skin types, and here's why. Panthenol is actually very low on the ingredients list, and I don't actually consider this cream hydrating at all. What it does have is a good amount of occlusive ingredients that lock in the moisture in your skin. Dimethicone, shea butter, coconut oil, glycerol, just to name a few. If you're looking for a sealant to cap off your routine, you might want to look into this moisturizer. Do I feel like I would keep this moisturizer in my routine? Absolutely. It's a beautiful moisturizer that would really restore that elasticity in your skin. For $33, I was expecting GOODAL to actually give us a spatula. At the very least, it's something they should be doing. If this were a water cream, I could definitely just use my finger without a spatula, no problem, but because it is much thicker, I would prefer to have a spatula. If you're looking to restore elasticity, plumpness, and decrease fine lines, this moisturizer is exceptionally great. If you're looking for a hydration boost or reduce redness, then you might want to look at a moisturizer that does that for you, because this cream won't. To be honest, I didn't expect too much from this product. I thought it was a fun collab between a K-pop group and a well-established skincare brand, but I was genuinely surprised. As I age and the weather gets colder, I find myself loving these kind of medium thick and velvety creams because they truly prevent TEWL, tool or transepidermal water loss. With all that being said, I would rate this Apricot Collagen Youth Firming Cream 8 out of 10. That is it for this review. Overall, I really enjoyed using this product. Let me know in the comment box below if you've ever given this GOODAL product a try before. I'll leave the link to this product in the description box below for you guys to check out, as well as all the other products I've mentioned in this video. Thank you again, YesStyle, for sending me this product in exchange for my honest opinions. Please help the channel grow by subscribing and sharing this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time. Until then, be safe, stay hydrated, and most importantly, be gentle with yourself. Annyeong! Come back for more. 주세요.